Stop. Everything your doctor or health professional has told you about exercising and dieting to lose stubborn belly fat is flat out wrong. And this false information completely destroys all of your hard work and sacrifice while shutting your number one fat burning hormone down to a grinding halt. You'll never have to starve yourself with the same old boring and bland diet such as a chicken and broccoli or another tasteless frozen dinner you find in the supermarket. Get another expensive gym membership, outrageous gadgets, or any other gym equipment to finally incinerate stubborn belly fat. Suffer through another long and boring cardio session that destroys your knees, back, and joints. And most of all, spend more time doing wasteful workouts. Why? Because there's a new, simple, enjoyable, and much faster way that allows any man or woman in their 30s, 40s, and 50s and older to unlock their hidden potential and lose stubborn fat by using short but effective 8-minute workouts that increase energy and motivation while losing up to 14 pounds in 21 days without weights or torture diets. Unlike with starvation diets and traditional long exercise methods, my new fat loss solution course works with the unique biological changes your metabolism goes through between the ages of 30s and 50s and beyond. There's never been a metabolism treatment that was easier and fun to and fit into your busy lifestyle. You may think you've tried everything when it comes to losing stubborn midlife pounds. I'm here to tell you that it doesn't matter if you feel you are too out of shape and sluggish or overweight to attempt one of those insane DVD workout programs. Your metabolism has come to a crawl because you unknowingly were doing the wrong workouts that left you frustrated. You have a busy schedule with a stressful job and then come home to family life lacking energy. Or even if you're tired, or even if you've tried everything and failed in the past, you'll finally see stubborn fat melt away from around your stomach, hips, and thighs while building lean muscle in the easiest and fastest way possible without torture diets or suffering through long, boring, and painful workouts. You'll also create an all-natural surge of fat-burning and youthful hormones, release burn-off, and permanently remove your most stubborn belly fat. Create an all-natural surge of fat-burning and youthful hormones, release, burn off, and permanently remove your most stubborn fat. Reignite your dead metabolism and can be done at any age, anytime, anywhere, so it fits perfectly into your busy lifestyle. Reprogram your body to burn more fat faster. Reprogram your body to burn more fat faster every time you use the Fat Loss 40 Solution exercises. All you need to do is follow the Fat Loss 40 Solution in this course, and you'll restore and rejuvenate your body back to its youthful state, making your friends and family envious. Introducing the Fat Loss 40 Solution, the world's first and only 8-minute fat loss solution for men and women in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and older who lack time, energy, and motivation. Hi, my name is Tim Ernst. These are all 10 of my best non-cardio fat loss protocols you won't find anywhere else. Some people call it the holy grail of fat loss because this is exactly how to lose fat without losing muscle. Whether you need to kickstart your fat loss today or you want to shred any excess fat when you're done bulking up, you're going to want to start adding my Fat Loss 40 solution immediately. In fact, the Fat Loss 40 solution burns fat up to 9 times more than an hour of traditional cardio workouts. Here's the deal when it comes to fat loss. You likely have heard the best way to lose fat is to add cardio and reduce calories. The problem is that this combo always results in muscle loss and robs you from showing off your past 18 weeks or so of muscle gains. The common knowledge is that it's just the way it is. You gotta do cardio and you gotta drop calories. That's the way I've done it for over 10 years now myself. Turns out the common knowledge is actually nonsense. Yes, cardio can burn fat, but the more you do, the more you put your new muscle and strength at risk. Thankfully, there is something better and much smarter and much more fun. You see, once you unlock the power of bodyweight circuits, the other equally effective non-cardio fat loss method included inside Fat Loss 40 Solution, you will hold the key to quickly melting fat off your body like butter in a microwave while leaving your hard-earned muscle intact. Amazingly, some guys I shared these tools with actually found they gained muscle while cutting. Why? Because these tools require you to actually keep your calories high and burn the fat off instead of slashing calories and starving it off. Again, the moment you start adding cardio or dropping calories, your muscle and strength are put at risk. Now, you need to know these two tools are two of my best kept secrets amongst myself and my one-on-one coaching students who are getting ripped while keeping their calories high and never stepping foot on a treadmill. You'll be able to get all the fat loss method benefits in only 8 minutes a day and never have to suffer through long and boring workout. Here's what the Fat Loss 40 Solution will do for you. It'll turn on your body's #1 fat burning switch and flood your body full of youthful hormones. Heal the damage and fix your broken metabolism. Turn on your fountain of youth hormones to burn more fat and calories in 8 to 10 short minutes a day. Boost your metabolic rate for up to 48 hours straight. Time your food consumption to work synergistically with your nutrition and burn belly fat faster than normal. Eat your favorite carbs to increase your insulin sensitivity so you'll be able to eat lots of your favorite foods without storing fat. Discover the easiest way to indulge in your favorite carbs and sweet treats while you never store them as fat. Tighten sagging skin and tone up embarrassing body spots. Skyrocket your sex drive. Diminish side effects of getting older in only 8 to 10 minutes a day. Within 6 weeks, you can expect to strip off pounds of unsightly body fat, see your abs coming in for the first time in years, experience a surge in confidence and sex drive as your testosterone comes roaring back. And you're going to do all of this workout with slaving, and you're going to do all of this without slaving away at any type of traditional cardio for hours at a time. The only thing worth investing in is yourself. All you have to do is click the button to enroll, and the Fat Loss 40 Solution protocol will be added to your fitness arsenal and waiting for you inside the private student zone. So grab your copy now, and I will see you at the finish line.